Good morning. Okay, it's Friday. I have to go back to Rockport tomorrow, so I have to be very careful with my timing. So I'm on my way to get my coffee, my breakfast. I don't have a refrigerator in my house, so I haven't been cooking, been doing all takeout. But this place is the Book Mill and the Olive Stone and the Lady Kilgrew. It's an old mill, and this is a half a mile from my house, so pretty groovy. You can walk here. I ended up driving. This is all like coronavirus off. But I just want you to see how pretty this is. There's the distance through the waterfall. Kind of reminds me of Chagrin Falls, which is near where I grew up. Really pretty. So this is the Olive Stone. It's opened up now just a few days a week for outdoor dining only. And then hopefully that will change soon. And then I'm on my way to the Lady Kilgrew to pick up my coffee. So you gotta go down here. Oh, I gotta wear my face mask. Hold on. But I'm gonna get my coffee and head back up to the house and start my day. So very productive yesterday. Ended up ripping up all the carpets, found more asbestos. Met this morning with a plaster person who's going to help pick up or clean up some of the walls. He's going to start on Monday, and then the asbestos guy comes. So making good progress. But I'll check back later this afternoon and show you what I'm up to. Bye.